Good morning, guys. Yes, update soon on the red Mark 1. Let's quickly take the blue Mark 1. We are here at Springs Mall, a Tiger wheel and tire that we quickly can do the alignment. Yes, we are quickly waiting for an open lift. And the power of YouTube and the Mark 1 it's up in the air. Let's quickly replace the bolts, get our hands dirty, and now time for the wheel alignment. And after maybe an hour, hour and a half of struggling with bolts and so on, we are busy lowering the car, and just like that, we are all done. Happy days.